Hi. This is the thing that you helped, and then you take off the top.
Who's that?
That's Princess Leia.
Uh-huh. This is Princess Leia's ship.
And then you can open the front.
Uh-huh. Whoa.
Okay, Micah.
Open the front, you get the guy out.
Yeah. And in Star Wars, what was this ship? What did it do?
Well, it kind of blew up.
It blew up.
Yeah.
When did you see it in Star Wars?
The very beginning of the fourth.
Oh, the very beginning of the first Star Wars movie?
Fourth.
Yeah, but that was the first one.
Okay.
And what happened with this ship?
Well, kind of blew up.
Yeah? Princess Leia was on it. This was the ship that Princess Leia got captured in.
Yeah.
And then, who was in it that escaped?
R2-D2 and C-3PO.
Oh, okay. And you want to show us, where are they?
They're on the escape pod.
The escape pod. Okay. Ah,
Here's the escape
it's
pod.
very complicated.
There. R2-D2 and C-3PO.
Cool. How many pieces did this have?
1,000. 1,409.
Whoa. And tell me, Natan, how long did it take you to put all this together?
Like 2 hours. No, more like 3 hours.
3 hours.
I don't know.
Unbelievable. Alright, and what do you have to say to the people out there who helped buy it?
Thank you.
You want to look at them and say it?
Thank you.